Hello, welcome back to Easy Wonders. See this another design. This is using by Turtle Graphics, and first I will execute the code and show how this one is drawing. After completing that, I will explain the code in detail. Okay. By clicking here, this will get closed. This is the code, 22 lines, and I'm going to execute it. Rainbow circle.py, I have given that name. Python rainbow circle.py. I'm entering. Yes, actually you can see squares are drawn. 6 squares, that is rainbow colors. Up to red one color is missing, yellow, and such 6 squares are drawn. Then again repeat 6 squares and again 6 squares, like while 12 times it repeats, it forms a circle. Then it is shifting just forward 20 units and shifting of some degree, that is we can check in that code. Okay, then again same circle is drawn, then again shifting and start drawing the next circle like that. Such total 12 circles are drawn to complete this design. Okay, actually it is shifting 30 degree, that is why 12 times to complete this entire 360 degree. 12 into 3, 36, that is 360. 360 degree complete to draw 12 circles. In each circle, as I explained, a number of squares are drawn, each square with a different color. Okay, next it is the final circle, and the entire picture will complete. Okay, yes, this is the final circle. It's going to complete. Yes, it's finished. Okay, now I am going to explain the code. This is the code. Okay, import turtle as t. We are importing turtle as t in the first line. By importing turtle as t, we can use just t instead of turtle in these all lines. Then second line, t dot speed 0. The turtle speed we are setting as 0 here. Then t dot pen size 3. We are setting the pen size, the thickness of each line we set as 3. Then we are defining a function called shape with arguments size and sides. This function actually we use for drawing a polygon. We can draw any type of polygon with sides, different sides. That is, if we give side as 3, then it will draw a triangle. If 4 sides, then it will be a square. 5 sides, it will be a pentagon, like that. You can change the code by giving different number of sides. Okay, you can check with some other number of sides. Okay, in this code, for I in range sides, that is, in this case I have drawn squares, so 4 sides. So this loop iterates for 4 times. T forward size is the size of a side of this polygon. In this case, this will be the size. Actually, we took 20 units as size. Okay, t dot forward, turtle forward 20 units, then t dot left 360 by sides. Here 4 sides, so 360 by 4, that is 90 degree. 90 degree shift left. Turtle shift left 90 degree, then again forward 20 units, and again 90 degree shift left, then again forward 20 degree, like that. 4 times it repeats, then it will form a square. Okay, this is the function. This will call from this 3 for loops, and at that time only this code runs. Okay, first here there is 3 for loops for j in range 12, that is j is repeating for 12 times. It takes value 0 to 11. Okay, this first for loop is used to draw 12 circles. That is, I told you that there are total 12 circles are drawn. For drawing that 12 times, the first for loop is used. Then for I in range 12, then again a for loop with 12 iterations. Okay, inside that there is another for loop with 6 colors of rainbow, not 7 color, 1 color I have removed, total 6 colors. Okay, then after selecting a color, inside this one, inside this for loop, t dot colors, that is, first it takes violet color, then it is calling the function above, shape 24. We are calling in the 14th line as shape 20, 4. That is, size of a side is 20 and number of sides is 4. That is, a square is drawing with each side as 20. Okay, then a square is drawn. In all the cases, a square is drawn. First a violet square is drawn. After that, t dot forward 10. That is a 10 units shift between each square. We can see a small distance forwarding in each after drawing each square. Okay, t dot forward 10 units are forwarded. Also at the same time, t dot left 5. It is shifting just 5 degree left also. Okay, and after drawing each square, it is shifting forward 10 units and shifting left 5 degree. Then an indigo square drawn. After that, a blue square drawn. After that, green square, like that. Such 12 times it repeats to form a circle. By repeating it 12 times, a circle is formed. After completing a circle, just t dot pen up, and pen is upping, and without drawing anything, t dot forward 20. It forward 20 units forward, and also it turns right 30 degree. By shifting a 30 degree right and forwarding a 20 degree, it again t dot pen down and repeat this 2 for loops. That is, 12 times it repeats for drawing 12 circles like this. So by this first for loop, the second and third iteration repeats for 12 times. That is, 12 circles are drawn. By doing so, it will complete the entire design. Okay, then last line, 22nd line, t dot exit on click, that is just used for exiting this Python turtle graphic window. By clicking anywhere here, this window will get closed. Okay, anyway, I think you like this code, and for getting such good videos, good designs, and wonderful designs. You subscribe my channel. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you next time.